Notify provides choice. We have a variety of different options. The overlay is the most unique one in that we're the only platform that will connect to all of these disparate systems, but also connect to the new technologies. So if you have a 10-year-old nurse call system that functions, there's no reason to replace that hardware. You want to bring in sensors, you want to bring in fall detection, you want to bring in locating. All of those things are connected to Notify, and then Notify allows you to connect to those pieces and extend the life of your system without the cost of replacing the existing hardware. The value of Notify is being able to standardize that entire process while continuing to use the existing system that you either invested in or inherited.